Hello everyone, welcome back at TechET for another news. For many years, Samsung and Qualcomm have worked together. In fact, in recent years, Samsung has relied more on Qualcomm Snapdragon silicon for its flagship phones than on its own in-house Exynos chips, particularly for its premium Galaxy S series. Qualcomm has now announced that it will power Samsung's flagship phones worldwide as part of a multi-year agreement. In most countries, Samsung launches its flagship Galaxy S series phones with the Snapdragon chip, while in a few regions the phones are launched with their in-house Exynos chips. Notably, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset was used in 75% of all Samsung Galaxy S22 phones, with the remaining 25% using Samsung's relatively new Exynos 2200 processor. According to rumors, the Galaxy S23 will abandon Samsung's Exynos chip in favor of Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. The company announced that beginning with the Samsung Galaxy S23, Snapdragon-powered Galaxy flagship phones will be released globally with no region distinction in chipsets. This could indicate that we will see Snapdragon-powered Galaxy flagships in many regions but maybe not in all variants. Either way, Exynos may not make it to the Samsung Galaxy S23 lineup in any region. Samsung's foldables already have Snapdragon powering them already, and they never used Exynos for their foldables anyway. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Flip 3 are powered by the Snapdragon 888 processor. So what will happen to Exynos? Samsung clarified that Exynos chip will not be discontinued. Future Samsung flagships might turn to Snapdragon, but mid-range and entry-level phones from the company could still carry the Exynos chip that competes with Snapdragon and MediaTek in that space. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more updates. Till the next time.